My name is Sean Derry. I teach sculpture here at IUP, associate professor in the Department of Art. My initial involvement with the monument, I was approached by students here on campus a couple years ago, and they were interested in realizing a monument for veterans of Iraq and Afghanistan conflicts, and they didn't really know what the next steps were, and they were interested in commissioning a student artist to realize a proposal for the monument, and I assisted them in developing a request for proposals. We had 3 proposals. We had assembled a selection committee of artists, administrators, students, and representatives from PTX. We selected a commission, and then I've been involved with kind of assisting with fabrication of the monument as well. I think one of the really excellent opportunities this monument has afforded us is the opportunity to kind of bring resources at the university together, and that was one of the reasons I was excited to help make it happen, to get students that maybe don't talk to each other talking to each other, and get art students thinking about the interest of other parties and how their art could sort of serve a greater mission. And this monument has really provided an opportunity for a lot of talent at the university to come together. We built the substructure for the monument. We've done a lot of the kind of technical engineering sort of requirements of the monument here, working with facilities. Facilities poured the concrete pad and is going to be working with us on landscaping in front of the monument. We have a student that sculpted the medallion that will be going on it, and here in a couple days we'll be casting the bronze in the sculpture studio. So it's been a really great opportunity to bring students and administrators together and to help kind of have a bigger conversation about art on campus and kind of highlight some of our really talented students.